Hello, good day everyone. So welcome back to our CSS class. So the CSS lesson for today, as we did the layout, the website layout, this time we want to show us how to arrange our CSS to reflect on this website. So the layout we explain header, so we explain the main content, we explain the navigation content, and then we explain the footer. So here today, let's go to our CSS. We have the layout.css that is used to save it. So at the top here we have container. So this slash and asterisk so shows that this thing not to affect all the system, all the elements in the HTML. So and then let's see how this container work. This is a class, don't forget, because it is written after dot. So and then let's see how it work. This container and the showcase. This showcase now also tell us that it's going to affect all the content and all the elements in the HTML. So now this content is used to instruct this web page, the web that for the background it is going to use. Look at the minimum height. We said 300 pixels, and then the background that we want to use URL. So image. So inside this image, so that's the folder where I save the showcase, where I save the file that I want to use as background. So and the JPG is the extension of that file. So the background position should be center, and that side cover, text align center, color of the text that can reflect on that page is white. So now let's look at this container and the showcase, how they work. Now I go to the home here. So after the title, which is the MMI, the mighty Moasha International, the link, I link my HTML to the CSS. I use a style sheet ref layout.css as we have it at the top here. And then after that one, so the header, now the vision class. So we are not coming here, we are going to the body class. We use container. That means you divide them in container. The body background ID, I use showcase. So that means this showcase means the background. So of the, let's now see how these two things work, container and the showcase. And let's see how they work. So look at it. So this is the background, the picture that you see here, which is the system, the person typing, you see. So that is the background. And this thing, you can see the top one here is arranged. The top here is arranged in blue, is colored in blue, and this one is green. This is the header, and this is the navigation content, and this place is the main content. Together with this is the main content. And then we have the what we call it here. We have the footer. So now, if you now want to, let's say the other one that we use. So inside this CSS, we also have body. This body, you can see that it has no asterisk, it has no dot, it has no thing. This body is telling us that it is going to affect anything we call body in the web page. So this is, so the font size is 20 pixels and the 1.5. Everything goes sans serif. That is a font letter that we want it to show, to reflect. So this area, the area is the first one to use. So it is only if the system does not understand the area, that is when it can switch to a vertical. So if it doesn't have a vertical, it will switch to sans serif. You can use as many as possible, so for the system to understand the web page. So now then we have the padding 0, margin 0, background color. Since we have used background image, so there's no need to use background color. So now we have the header. The header, background color for the header, this is it. We use a color picker, the text align center, padding 30 pixels, and then we have the navigation bar container. So in the navigation bar container, so the top now overflow is hiding. Background color, we use a color. Now the link that we use there, we have the float. For the float left, it is a display block color. So you can see this one is arranged in this form. If you arrange in this format, it will reflect very well. So and then this one that we see column here, this over top nav, which is over, that is what the navigational bar can switch to. So it doesn't understand the one that we put there. So and then we have the column. This column, we can, for the mobile device, we have one column. For the laptop, you have 2 or 3 columns. That means going to divide your content into different columns. So now you have the row, so you can arrange it in row. All this, and then the last one is the footer. The footer, we have the padding 5%. You can write as the way you like. Imagine the top is auto color. We have white background color, green text align. Now let's see how we apply this in the HTML. So now for this one, now you can see division class for the navigational content. So we have top nav, so as we use it there. So and then we have division here. We have we have row, then we have column. If you like, you can use it. Since you have used container, there is no need to use this again. So unless if you don't use container, that is when you will use this one. So that's when you will use this one. So if you don't use it, it will not affect anything. So just make sure it will not affect anything. So now look at it. You can see if you don't use it, there is no need. You divide your page into different parts. Divide your page into different parts. This is the footer. So this is the image that I use, and this is the external website, which is Facebook. So that's it. Thank you. And let's check it. So this is the laptop view, and this is the mobile view. This is the mobile view. This is a system view.